Champasak is a province in southwestern Laos, near the borders with Thailand and Cambodia. It is one of the three principalities that succeeded the Lao Kingdom of Lan Xang. As of the 2015 census, it had a population of 694,023. The capital is Paksay, but it takes its name from Champasak, the former capital of the Kingdom of Champasak. Champasak is bordered by Salavan Province to the north, Sekong Province to the northeast, Atapu Province to the east, Cambodia to the south, and Thailand to the west. The Mekong River forms part of the border with neighboring Thailand and contains Si Phan Don in the south of the province. On the border with Cambodia, Champasak has played a central role in the history of Siam and Laos, with frequent battles taking place in and around Champasak. Its cultural heritage includes ancient temple ruins and French colonial architecture. Champasak has some 20 warts, such as Wat Pho, Wat Luang, and Wat Tham Phai. Freshwater dolphins in the province's many waterfalls are tourist attractions. From the 1st to 9th centuries CE, Champasak province was part of the Funan and then Chenla kingdoms. Between the 10th and 13th centuries it was part of the Khmer Empire. In 1354, the area came under the control of King Fa Ungam and the Lan Xang Empire. The Angkor Empire went into decline between the 15th and 17th centuries when it was annexed by Lan Xang. In 1707, Champasak became one of three kingdoms arising from a dissolved Lan Xang Empire. The kingdom had only three kings, Soi Sisamut. In 1829 Siam annexes Champasak following the Chao Anuvaun rebellion. Paksay, the capital of the province, was established by the French in 1905 as an administrative outpost at the confluence of Xe Don and the Mekong. Champasak province covers an area of 15,415 square kilometers. The Mekong forms part of the border with neighboring Thailand and, after a sharp bend projecting westward, turns east and flows southeasterly through the province down to Cambodia. Champasak can be reached from Thailand through Sirindhorn district's Chong Meg border crossing to Vang Tao on the Lao side, from where the highway leads east towards the provincial capital, Paksay. The capital is on Laos' most important highway, Route 13, and the French legacy can be seen in the city's architecture. Si Phan Don is on a stretch of the Mekong north of the border with Cambodia. Of these islands, Don Kong is the largest and has a number of small villages, temples, and caves. A French-built bridge on the abandoned railway line provides the link with two smaller islands, Don Det and Don Kong. There are many waterfalls in the province such as the Liffey waterfall at Don Kong to the west of Ban Kong village. Below the falls in the calmer waters of the Mekong the freshwater dolphins can be seen. The Khon Pho Phang falls to the east of Don Kong, also on the Mekong, cascade along a broad mouth of rock slopes in a curvilinear pattern. The 120 meters above sea level, the plateau is east of Paksay. Si Phan Don Liffey Waterfall Khon Pho Phang Falls Xe Payan National Biodiversity Conservation Area lies in the southeastern part of the province, while the Dong Hua Sao National Protected Area is in the eastern area. The Center for Protection and Conservation of Freshwater Dolphins is on the Cambodian border. These freshwater dolphins are known locally as Pakha in Lao, and are found only on this particular stretch of the Mekong River. Hire boats are available to see these endangered dolphins, either from Ban Khong or Ban Waingkum. The Mekong Channel from Pho Siang Tong to Saiphendan important bird area overlaps with the 120,000 hectares Pho Siang Tong National Protected Area. The Iba encompasses two provinces, Champasak and Salavan. The Iba is at an elevation of 40 to 50 meters. Its topography consists of earth banks, rocky islands, sandbars, low vegetated islands, rocky islets, and sandy beaches. Notable avifauna include Laos's last known nesting little terns, river lapwings, river terns, small pratincoles and wire-tailed swallows. The 36,650 hectares Pho Siang Tong Iba is also in the Pho Siang Tong NBCA. This Iba spans two provinces, Champasak and Salavan. The Iba is at an elevation of 40 to 500 meters. The topography consists of low hills, lowlands, rivers, and seasonal streams. Habitat is characterized by dry deciduous tropical forest, moist deciduous tropical forest, semi-evergreen tropical rainforest, mixed deciduous forest, dry dipterocarp forest, and open rocky savanna. Notable avifauna include the gray-faced tit babbler, green peafowl, red-collared woodpecker, and Siamese fireback. The province is made up of the following districts. The population of the province, from the 2015 census, is 694,023. The ethnic composition consists mainly of Lao, but also Cheng, Inthi, Kaseng, Katang, Kate, Katu, Kian Lawai, Lawang, and Ye, Nyahyun, Ong, Salav, Sue, Tahang and Tohoi ethnic groups, as well as ethnic Vietnamese. The economic output of the province